Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the security settings in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just scroll down a little bit and you will see the app settings category. There you should just press on the security settings. And here you can basically manage the security settings. You can see the PIN code login. You can deactivate that if you want, but you have to enter of course your PIN code in order to do that. You can also change your PIN. You can also activate or deactivate the auto lock screen and everything else that you can see here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.